Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Now we will do exercises of chapter number 4 which we had already done. Okay, now the time to true false. Number 1, Ranthambore is in western Rajasthan. True or false? Yes, it is false. Ranthambore is in eastern Rajasthan. Mehul lived with his family in Jaipur. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Where Mehul lived? Mehul lived in Mumbai. Okay, Mehul had a sister named Sanjana. Yes, it is right. Now move to the next. Ranthambore National Park is famous for tigers. Yes, it is the one of the famous tiger reserve. Okay, the forest rest house is called Jogi Mahal. Yes, it is also correct. You have to do all this true false in only book. Okay, thank you. Now turn the page number 29 for doing the next exercise. Match the people with their work. You can easily match them. So let's start. Number 1, a conductor or a bus conductor. What a bus conductor do? Yes, he sells tickets on a bus. So you have to write down only numbers just before it. Okay, like this. A sailor. What a sailor do? What a sailor does? Yes, a sailor works on a ship. Number 3, a carpenter. A carpenter does makes furniture of wood. A teacher teaches student. A greengrocer sells vegetables and fruits. A tailor stitches and repairs clothes. A mechanic repairs motor vehicle. A nurse, what a nurse does? Looks after patient. A chef, yes, a chef cooks food in a restaurant. And architect, one who makes designs of house. So you have to do this exercise like this in only book. Okay, thank you. Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Now turn the page number 31 for doing this exercise. Between or among. Fill in the blanks with between or among. Before going to start this exercise, you should know about it. Where we will use between and where we will use among. So let's start. First, you can see here the preposition between is used to people, things or group are involved. That means if we are talking about two things or two persons or two groups, then we will use only between. Okay, then among is used when more than two people, things or groups are involved. Okay, if we are talking about more than two things, more than two persons, then we will use among. Okay, now see the next, since or for. Since and for are also used for following way. Since is used to refer to a point of time in the past. That means since we can use only in those sentences where they are in past form. Okay, and it is used for a point of a time. Especially अगर कोई टाइम बताया जा रहा है, then you can use since. Then for is used to refer to a period of time in the past, present or future. Whereas for we can use in both tenses. That means in any sentence we can use for, but it is necessary कि there should be talk about a period of time. Like Mohan is studying for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है, तो that is period of time. It is, we can't say it point of time. Okay, so let's start. Number I, first and second, there are two exercises. She had to choose dash chocolate and chips. Here she had to choose between chocolate and chips, two things, so we will use between. Anita had to choose clothes, shoes and ribbons. That means here are more than two things, so we will use among. Dash all the member of the Thomas family, Sharon is the tallest. That means all family members, we are talking about all family members, so here we will use among. Next, dash the two of us, there is nothing to hide. Two of us, here we are talking about two person, so between. The girls shared their lunch dash themselves, here among, because girls here plural and it is not mentioned ki how many persons are there. Okay, so see the next. Fill in the blanks with since or for. Number 1, it has been raining dash 4 o'clock. Here 4 o'clock is a point of a time, so we will use since. It has been raining dash 2 hours. 2 घंटे से बारिश हो रही है, so we will use here for. I am staying here for a few days. कुछ दिनों से मैं रह रहा हूँ, so we will use here for. We have lived here last May. Here the point May is the point of time, so here we will use since. I'll be there, I'll be in Mumbai for a week. एक हफ्ते रहूँगा, so that is the we will use here for. Okay, it is telling us a period of time, not a point of time. So it is clear, students. If we are talking about a point of a time, then we will use since, or if we are talking about a period of a time, then we will use for. Okay, you have to do both exercises, is only both. Thank you.